Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is not just a veggie party. This is your next freezer lifesaver. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and packed with flavor in every bite. We start with 500 grams of diced potatoes. Boil until perfectly soft. Let them cool, then grate them for that smooth, fluffy base. Dice your carrot and soak them in hot water until slightly tender. 100 grams chopped onion, 100 grams green pea, 100 grams diced carrot, 150 grams breadcrumbs, 80 grams corn flour, 100 grams kidney beans. In a bowl it goes, then we gently mix. Add the grated potatoes back in and mix again until fully combined. Season with 3 grams salt and mix once more. This is where the flavor locks in. Weigh each portion at 120 grams or adjust depending on your preferred size. Shape them into perfect patties. Wrap them in cling film for storage. Fry at 180 degrees until golden and crispy. Now, pack them into a zip bag and freeze. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to share, comment, or like. Until we meet in the next one, peace out.